Fullbay review. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at one of the best commercial truck and fleet repair shop management softwares. If you're running a diesel repair business, managing a mobile mechanic team, or operate a heavy-duty truck repair shop, Fullbay is built specifically to help you streamline operations, manage technicians, invoice faster, and keep your customers happy. We're going to cover what Fullbay does, who it is for, its key features, pros and cons, pricing, and real user feedback, so you can decide if it's the right tool for your repair shop. To kick things off, what is Fullbay? Fullbay is a cloud-based shop management software built for heavy-duty repair shops. It's not a generic mechanic system. It's specifically tailored for commercial truck and fleet maintenance operations. You can use it to track repairs and maintenance, assign jobs to technicians, manage parts inventory, and create estimates and invoices. You can also use this platform to communicate with customers and even connect directly to your accounting tools. It works for in-shop repairs and mobile service calls, and it's accessible from any device, so techs and service writers can work from phones, tablets, or desktops. Now let's talk about some key features of this platform. For instance, work order management. With Fullbay, you'll be able to create estimates and convert them to work orders, track status in real time, split labor and parts clearly for customers, and log repair histories for each asset. You'll also get access to their technician productivity tools, so with this feature, techs can clock in and out of jobs, view job details, upload photos, and leave notes from mobile devices, and track billed versus actual labor time. You'll also get access to their inventory management features. So with this feature, you'll be able to track parts in real time across multiple locations, reorder automatically when inventory runs low, and manage vendor pricing and markups. And also you'll get access to their customer and fleet portals. With this feature, it lets clients track their vehicles, approve estimates, and view invoices. They'll also allow you to improve transparency and cut down on phone calls. And one of their standout features is their invoicing and payments. With this feature, you'll be able to generate invoices instantly after jobs, collect digital signatures, and it integrates with QuickBooks and other tools. DOT compliance and PM schedules. This allows you to set up reminders for preventative maintenance, keep detailed service records for inspection and compliance. Now let's talk about the different use cases of this platform. One, with Fullbay, you can schedule fleet inspection and assign techs. You can also track how long each job takes and see which techs are the most effective. Let the fleet manager approve repairs through their portal. It also allows you to auto-generate the invoice and sync it to QuickBooks. And you can reorder parts automatically based on inventory levels. With Fullbay, you can save time, reduce mistakes, and look way more professional to your clients. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this platform. First, it is built for heavy duty and not a general auto shop tool. Fullbay speaks the language of fleet and diesel repair. Also cloud-based and mobile ready, as it works from tablets in the shop or laptops in the office. Great customer portal, as clients can approve work and track repairs. In-depth technician tracking, which helps you see exactly where time is being spent. And integrations, as it works with accounting tools, fleet systems, and more. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this platform. First, the setup can take some time, especially if you're migrating from paper or spreadsheets, and there is a learning curve, as there's a lot of functionality which can overwhelm some small teams early on. And the pricing isn't public, so you have to request a quote, which might not be ideal for everyone. And talking about pricing, with Fullbay, it does not list its pricing publicly. You need to request demo and get a custom quote based on your shop size, users, and needs. However, based on reports and forums, pricing typically starts off at $500 to $1,000 per month, depending on how many techs you have, what features you need, and whether you want things like inventory modules, customer portals, and so on. As there are no long-term contracts and they do offer free demos, as you can see right here, and onboarding assistance. Now let's talk about user reviews and ratings. On Capterra, Fullbay has an average ratings of 4.7 out of 5 stars, as most users praise the ease of use once it is set up, and how much faster invoicing is, and the ability to run a paperless shop. On G2, it scores a ratings of 4.5, which highlights the inventory control that actually works, increased technician accountability, and great customer service. Some common complaints are the onboarding process can be a bit slow, and the app could use better offline support, and some users wish for more integration outside of QuickBooks. Now, that wraps up my review. If you are running a diesel repair shop, fleet maintenance service, or mobile heavy duty operations, Fullbay is absolutely worth checking out. It's not cheap, but it's packed with industry-specific tools that save you hours of admin time every week and make you look way more professional to your clients. It's a solid investment for shops that want to go fully digital, reduce paperwork, and grow. You can schedule a free demo and see if it fits your workflow. I'll be leaving a link in the description below. If you like this breakdown, hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.